Harness the power of the sun and take control of your energy bills with solar power from Solar Wholesale.
But how do those solar panels turn sunlight into usable energy for your home? That's where the inverters come in. The inverter is the unsung hero of your solar panel system. Solar panels themselves generate electricity in the form of DC or direct current, but your home runs on AC and alternating current. Think of the inverter as the translator taking the DC language of your panels and converting it into AC, the language your appliance understands. There are two main types of inverters, string inverters and microinverters. String inverters are the workhorses. They can handle a whole group of solar panels, typically 5 to 20 per connection point, depending on the inverter. These connections are called MPPTs, and a single string inverter can have 1 to 6 of them. String inverters are usually mounted near the solar array or tucked away in a convenient location. Microinverters, on the other hand, are like tiny translators for individual panels. They handle just 1 to 4 panels each and are mounted directly underneath the panel itself. So this hook is the mounting place. It's called an MLPE hole. You will mount this directly to the rail underneath the solar panel. This particular microinverter has 2 MPPTs. We can hook up one here, and then the other one comes in right here. Once it's in here and does its work, all that AC power will come out in your AC line. This cable will get ran in a series and meet up with all your other panels and down into your home. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of each type of inverter. String inverters are generally more affordable and simpler to install. Troubleshooting is also easier because the inverter is readily accessible. However, string inverters have a downside. Without extra equipment, it's hard to tell which panels are producing the most power. If even one panel is shaded or malfunctioning, it can drag down the entire system's output. Additionally, string inverters generate more heat as they handle more panels, so proper installation is crucial. Microinverters offer several advantages. They convert DC to AC power right at the panel level, so you get maximum efficiency. Plus, if one panel fails, it doesn't affect the rest of the system. The downside, microinverters can be pricier and require more wiring during installation. Troubleshooting can also be trickier because you might need to remove panels to access the microinverters. At Solar Wholesale, we offer both string and microinverters. While we're big fans of the efficiency and performance of microinverters, we understand that budget and system complexity are important factors. That's why we have a team of expert energy consultants who will help you determine the best inverter type for your specific needs. Don't wait. Take control of your energy future with solar power from Solar Wholesale. Call us today to schedule a free consultation and discuss which inverter is right for you. And again, like, subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.